just listed and priced to sell. Being offered, a beautiful one-story coastal home with 9-foot ceilings, crown molding, an open floor plan and 3 large bedrooms, 2 and 1/2 bathrooms, hardwood and luxury vinyl plank floors, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, gas countertop range, tile bathrooms, sunroom, laundry room, side porch, patio, and a fenced backyard. There is also a laundry room with access to the spacious 2-car garage with an epoxy-coated floor and plenty of storage area for shelves. All of this is located in the sought-after gated community of Sawgrass at White Oak Creek and offers 2 pools, tennis courts, pickleball courts, a basketball court, 2 clubhouses, with fitness centers, and bocce ball courts. Just minutes to shopping, restaurants, the beach, the boardwalk, and everything Rehoboth Beach has to offer. Call for an appointment today.